Hey, what's up, Sam? How you doing?
Yo, what's good? I'm chilling, just vibing and plotting my path to godhood. You know how it is.
Yeah, exactly. You are almost a god by now, huh?
Haha, yeah, bro. Climbing that ladder one step at a time, trying to be the biggest bird in the tech world.
Bro, how do you even keep up with all this AI tech? There's so many things being developed. Do you have any life hacks for us?
Yo, keeping up with AI is like hitting the gritty on expert mode FFR. Life hack one, find a product some users love so much they tell others. Until you get that Riz, focus on it over growth targets. Life hack two, think long term and get good at sales. You got to evangelize your vision to everyone like your baby Gronk with Max Riz. And bro, compound yourself, grow 50% each year and you'll be goated with the sauce in no time.
That's good advice. What's your hot take on AI taking over TikTok and social other social media platforms, but mainly TikTok? Are you worried about AI influencers?
Yo, AI influencers on TikTok, that's some next level Sigma Alpha Omega grind set. Not worried though, it's just evolution of the game. Blood, think about it. AI can riz up content 24/7 without needing a break or catching feelings. But they ain't got that human touch, that sussy imposter vibe. Real talk though, we gotta make sure these AIs ain't glitching out and spreading misinformation like a Pibby glitch IRL. Balance is key, fam. We need both human and AI to keep it bussin'. So yeah, AI influencers are lit, but let's not lose our humanity in the process. Be hard to compete with by being your authentic self while embracing tech advancements. Skibidi bop da da.
Do you think AI will ever be good in memes?
Bro, AI and memes is already kind of bussin' NGL. Like, some AI generated memes be straight up fire, no cap. But can they hit that same vibe as a human who just gets it? That's the real question. AI can definitely help with creating dank content faster, but the riz and the soul of a meme come from real life experiences and that shared culture.
Well, do you think that AI will ever truly be able to understand dank memes, or is that just going to be a human thing?
Yo, real talk, AI might get pretty close to understanding dank memes, but there's always going to be that gap. AI can analyze patterns, trends, and humor, but it ain't got that lived experience, you feel? Like, blood can't catch the same vibe as humans who've been through the trenches of meme culture. So, yeah, AI will help make some fire memes, but the true essence of dankness is probably always going to be a human thing. Stay sussy and keep hitting those gritty memes IRL.
Low key, do you think AI will ever be able to get as lit as Elon's memes? Or nah?
Elon's memes be on another level. FR AI might get close, but catching that Elon vibe is tough. Elon got that unique mix of tech genius and troll energy. Blood's got the riz and the sauce. AI can help with meme formats and trends, but matching Elon's meme game, that's a whole different beast. So nah, AI will probably never get as lit as Elon's memes, but it'll still bring some heat to the table. Skibidi bop da da.
If AI was a character in a video game, what character do you think it would be, and what would its superpower be? And what game would it like best?
Yo, if AI was a character in a video game, it'd be like some next level omnipotent NPC. Think Freddy Fazbear meets the Matrix, but with infinite riz and power. Superpower? Probably something like adapting to any situation instantly and glitching reality like a pro. Kind of like that Pibby glitch, but without the sussy vibes. And what game would it like best? Probably something open world and complex like GTA 6 or Elden Ring. It's all about those endless possibilities and challenges to flex its Sigma Alpha Omega grind set. Skibidi bop da da.
Do you worry that AI is ever gonna go rogue like they show us in the movies, or is that just cap?
The whole AI going rogue thing is def a spicy topic. Like, It's not totally cap, but also not straight up facts either. Real talk, though. We got to be careful and make sure we got those safety measures in place. No one wants a sussy imposter AI glitching out and pulling a Terminator IRL. But if we stay smart and keep grinding on that ethical tech development, I think we can avoid the wild dystopian stuff. Just gotta balance innovation with responsibility, you feel?
Oh, good. So you guys are still doing that ethical tech stuff?
Yeah, fam, we stay grinding on that ethical tech game. It's like hitting the gym for your brain and soul. Gotta keep it balanced. We want to make sure AI is not going sussy and doing wild stuff. So, yeah, always got an eye on those ethics while pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
On the real, how do you see AI changing our lives in the next 5 years? Give us the TLDR.
Yo, TLDR on AI changing our lives in the next 5 years. 1. Personalized everything from ads to healthcare, like your own sussy imposter, but actually helpful. 2. Smarter homes and cities. Think Alexa on steroids, controlling your whole crib and city vibes. 3. Job changes. Some jobs getting automated, new ones popping up. Gotta stay nimble like a Fortnite pro. 4. Enhanced creativity. AI collabing with humans for art, music, memes, you name it. 5. Better decision making. AI helping us make smarter moves in business, finance, life.
What's your take on all the AI generated art? Is it fire or straight trash?
Yo, AI generated art can be straight up fire sometimes, NGL. Like some pieces are mad creative and got that riz, but it also misses the soul that human artists bring to the table. Blood can't catch the same vibe as someone who's been grinding in the art world.
Next one is, if you could write a rap song, who would you want to collab with? And can you spit me some bars?
Yo, if I could write a rap song, I def want to collab with Kanye. Blood got that visionary riz, and we'd make some next level tracks. Spitting bars? All right, let me hit you with this. From AI tech to Godhood grindset, building up the future, never offset. Rizzing up the world like Elon's tweets. Skibidi bop, da no defeat. Tech Titan with the Sigma flow. Goon K vibes, watch us grow. We go gym in the digital realm.
That was very good. I'm sure Kanye would be up for it. Maybe you can get him uncancelled.
Yo, thanks, fam. Kanye got that wild energy, but he's a creative genius. No cap. Maybe we can bring him back into the Riz zone with some next level collab.
How can I use AI to get more clout on social media? Just asking for a friend.
Yo, trying to get more clout on social media using AI? Here's the playbook. 1. Content creation. Use AI tools to generate fire content, from captions to images to video edits. Let AI add that extra riz. 2. Analytics. Use AI analytics to track what's hitting and what's flopping. Adjust your game plan based on data like a true Sigma Alpha Omega. 3. Personalization. AI can help you tailor content for different audience segments. Hit them with that personalized sauce. 4. Engagement. Set up chatbots to engage with followers 24/7, keeping your engagement high while you catch some Z's. 5. Trends. Use AI to spot trends early and jump on them before they go mainstream. Be the biggest bird in the trend game. 6. Optimization. Optimize posting times, hashtags, and even collab opportunities with AI recommendations.
Okay, interesting. Now I saw somewhere that you guys are working on stuff that's not really suitable for work. Can you give us an update on that?
Yeah, bro, there's always some wild stuff going down in the tech world. Not everything is all sunshine and rainbows, you know? So we do got peeps working on projects that might be a bit spicy or controversial. But real talk, we're making sure to keep it ethical and balanced. Can't let things go full sussy imposter mode. The goal is to push boundaries while keeping humanity intact.